Building a personal brand as an entrepreneur. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, your go-to channel for tips and tricks on maximizing your entrepreneurial journey. Today, we're diving into a topic that is crucial for anyone looking to make a mark in their field: building a personal brand as an entrepreneur. Whether you are just starting out or looking to elevate your existing brand, this video will provide you with actionable insights to help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. First, let's talk about what a personal brand really is. Your personal brand is the way you present yourself to the world. It reflects your values, your expertise, and your unique personality. In today's digital age, where social media and online presence play a huge role in business, having a strong personal brand can set you apart from the competition. So, how do you start building your personal brand? The first step is to define your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you bring to the table? Identifying your niche will help you carve out a space for yourself in your industry. Once you have that figured out, it's time to share your story. People connect with stories. Share your journey, your struggles, and your successes. This authenticity will resonate with your audience and create a deeper connection. Next, let's discuss the importance of consistency. Your personal brand should be reflected across all platforms, from your social media profiles to your website. Use a consistent tone, style, and imagery. This helps to reinforce your brand identity and makes it easier for people to recognize and remember you. Consistency also builds trust. When your audience knows what to expect from you, they are more likely to engage with your content and follow your journey. Another key element of building a personal brand is engaging with your audience. Don't just broadcast your message, start conversations, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for your followers. This interaction not only strengthens your relationship with your audience, but also provides valuable insights into what they are looking for. The more you engage, the more loyal your community will become. Now, let's talk about leveraging social media. In today's world, social media is one of the most powerful tools for building a personal brand. Choose the platforms that align best with your niche and audience. Whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube, create content that showcases your expertise and personality. Share valuable insights, tips, and behind-the-scenes glimpses into your entrepreneurial life. This not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also makes you relatable. Don't forget about networking. Building a personal brand is not just about promoting yourself, it's also about connecting with others. Attend industry events, join online communities, and collaborate with fellow entrepreneurs. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and help you expand your reach. Remember, relationships are key in business. Finally, be patient and persistent. Building a personal brand takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay focused on your goals, keep producing valuable content, and engage with your audience. Over time, your efforts will pay off, and you will see your personal brand grow. In conclusion, building a personal brand as an entrepreneur is a journey that requires dedication and authenticity. Define your niche, share your story, and engage with your audience. Leverage social media and network with others in your field. Most importantly, be patient and persistent in your efforts. Thank you for watching this video on building a personal brand as an entrepreneur. If you found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Side Income Secrets for more valuable insights. Remember, your personal brand is a reflection of you, so make it count. See you in the next video.